Good day everyone, mag-test lang tayo ng order ni Sir from Rojas City Copies. Ang orders niya is dalawang WG-17 Gen 4, tatlong green gas, and dalawang JER BBs. So, test natin yung isa. So, ito yung unit. Yan, WG-17 Gen 4. Check natin yung magazine for leak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, wala siyang leak. So, yan yung isa ulit. Yung unit. Yan. So, test natin yung magazine. Okay, wala siyang leak. So, dalawa sila, may kasamang backstrap. Ayan. So, WG-17 Gen 4. 5 shots. Test din natin yung TTI magazine. If may leak siya. Okay, 5 shots din. Okay. So, test natin yung isa. Ayan yung BB. WG-17 Gen 4 for Sir of Rojas City Copies. Firing. Okay. Yung isang magazine. Firing. Okay. Yung isa naman. Yan. WG-17 Gen 4. Firing. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Tanggalin pala na. Yan. So, thank you.